Understanding Positive Test Result, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a phrase you might come across in various contexts: positive test result. Understanding this phrase is crucial, especially when navigating healthcare information, scientific discussions, or even general news. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively in English. When we say positive test result, we're referring to the outcome of a test that indicates the presence of something. This could be a medical test showing the presence of a virus, like COVID-19, a pregnancy test, or any other test looking for specific conditions or substances. It's important to note that positive doesn't always mean good. In this context, it simply indicates that the specific thing being tested for was found. Understanding the phrase positive test result requires paying attention to the context. For example, in a medical setting, a positive result may not be welcome news, as it could indicate illness. In contrast, for someone hoping for a baby, a positive pregnancy test is usually good news. The key takeaway here is that the word positive can have different implications depending on the situation. Let's look at some examples of how to use positive test result in a sentence. The doctor called to inform me of a positive test result for the infection. After months of trying, we finally received a positive pregnancy test result. The positive test result for the substance confirmed the presence of contaminants in the water supply. These sentences highlight the versatility and contextual nature of the phrase. It's also useful to know about negative test result, which indicates that the test did not find what it was looking for. This can mean the absence of disease, conditions, or substances, and is often considered good news in medical contexts. Understanding both positive and negative results is essential for full comprehension. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of positive test result, and how its interpretation depends heavily on context. Remember, English is full of phrases whose meanings can change with the situation, so always pay attention to the surrounding details. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful English language learning content.